Hey, how's it? I was checking out the map, and we got a few earthquakes over here on the mainland. This quake here is close to Dallas, Texas. It was 3.3 mag, and you can see where the epicenter is here. It was 3.1 miles deep, and looking at the impact statement, you can see a lot of people called in. 1,355 responses in 86 zip codes. A lot of people felt that one. And looking at the ARSO map here, here's a Texas quake 3.3, they're calling it. Here's another one, 3.3. This was at 6:14 p.m. and this is 2 hours later, possibly two separate quakes. Everybody have a good evening. Aloha.